crew. Time to go shoot a real quick video for you of the new TRX4 XL supersize build. Get you an underneath look real quick so you know what we're working with here. SCX6 shocks, 45 kilogram steering servo, 4250 big block brushless outrunner, 3S lipo, steel skid, steel lower 4 links, aluminum upper 4 links, aluminum back half chassis, steel TRX4 chassis plates and transmission, hardened steel gear, carbon steel gear, TRX4 transmission upgrade. And that's a 375 kV brushless motor, so we are talking extreme slow crawl. It's got a Rhino 80 amp ESC for AM 32 sine wave programming. Again, we're on a 3S 4400 and we are at 19 pounds all up. Closet, plug it in, it's got the diesel engine sounds. We're gonna go just do a quick crawl of the biggest rock obstacle on my property that nothing else I've ever tried has been able to creep up. I think this truck can struggle, but maybe it'll do it. Maybe it'll break. I don't know. Let's go try it. I'll try to shoot this one-handed. Currently we are in high gear. And this is always a full-time drag brake, so there's nothing I can do to turn it off. Here's high gear, full speed. Do a quick warmer upper for you. And I am going to crawl this in high gear just so you can see. I mean, it has just got incredible sine wave power. I'm barely on throttle at all. Plenty of power here, just trying to ease it. Alright, I'll go back down and do it again in low gear for you. Okay, now we are in low gear. That's pegged. Full speed, low gear. Absolute minimum speed, low gear. Really hard to keep your finger on the throttle even, but it will just crawl. You don't have to do much. That's the beauty of sine wave power and low torque, or high torque, low gearing. Not paying attention to what I'm doing. Getting lucky. This is not the giant obstacle, by the way. We'll get there. This is just a little rock wall. A little and steeper. Bigger rocks. On more of an angle. Set on 5.2 volts here, and I'm noticing really good steering response. I don't feel any need to like crank it up just yet. The servo I think can run up to like 7.2 or 7.4 volts. I don't think you want to turn all the way up to 8.4, although I do have one that can go that high. I may just upgrade it to a 5th scale servo eventually. Able to have pretty good control with even just one hand. Alright, we're going to finish up here and head on over to the big rock house. Let's see if we can conquer the beans. All the beans. Shift here, back here. I'd say that speed is, pretty brisk walking pace. Here. That's what I'd like to try and get up. See, that's a 34-inch long truck. That's a pretty healthy set of rocks. We'll go straight up that one. I'll just get up over here somewhere. Quite. Oh man, get out of here. It's further up than I made it before with the big 34-pound SCX6 cloudbuster. Running out of steering torque there. Go, baby. Impressed. Super impressed, you guys. Guess that's kind of obtuse when you impress yourself, but I'm happy. Peek right down this face, see if we go for a tumble. Oh yeah. That servo's not loving me right now. That's pretty good gangstering going on there. I mean, we are already on a hill, and they're straight up. You can see the hounds. Good drag brake for sure. But that car's coming up. I should just punch it out of here, really. Let's have fun with it. What a creep. That's drag brake letting me roll. Pretty good, man. Pretty good. This truck goes. One of the biggest crawlers, best big crawler I ever had. I don't suppose we can make this little spotty right here, but we'll try. Can't leave well enough alone. Probably breaking. Look over, baby. Come on.